MR Shop.
Looking for the best cordless impact drill? In this video I have compiled a list of the top 5 cordless impact drill in the market. Please note that the price can be changed at any time. Number 5. "12 volts lithium battery screwdriver charging hand drill, 3 functions, cordless impact drill, waterproof, comfortable, soft rubber handle." Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Check description below for product link. Number 4. YIKODA 16.8 volts 21V electric screwdriver cordless drill, double speed lithium battery, household rechargeable mini power tools. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Number 3. LIBITE cordless impact drill electric screwdriver lithium-ion battery, 20 volts variable speed rechargeable. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Number 2. WOSAI 20 volts brushless electric drill, 50 Nm cordless screwdriver, lithium-ion battery, mini electric power screwdriver, MT series tools. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Number 1. "21 volts electric drill set impact cordless drill, multifunctional, high power, 2-speed adjustable electric screwdriver, woodworking tool." Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Check description below for product link. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.